Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create a stunning book cover for your next bestseller, your poetry collection, or even a school project, and you don't have hours or fancy design skills, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through how you can make your very own professional-looking book cover using Canva, all in under 10 minutes. By the end, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to bring your book's vision to life, and you'll have a cover that truly stands out. Let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to canva.com. If you haven't already, you'll want to sign in or you can quickly set up a free account. Canva is incredible because it takes the mystery out of graphic design. Everything is intuitive and there are tons of creative options right at your fingertips. Once you're in, look for a button or tab labeled Create or Create a Design. Go ahead and click on that. Here's a tip, the search bar is your best friend. Type in book cover and let Canva do the magic. It'll automatically size things perfectly for a book cover format, which means you won't have to worry about odd dimensions or things looking squished. Just super simple. Now you'll see a treasure trove of book cover templates pop up. Seriously, there are so many styles from dramatic and bold to minimalist and clean. Take a moment to browse and find one that fits the vibe of your book. Don't rush this part. Even if you feel a little overwhelmed at first, remember you can always tweak and change things up later. Once you spot a template that catches your eye, click on it to add it to your project. Alright, you've picked out your template. Time to roll up our sleeves and make it yours. Start by experimenting with the different elements. Maybe you want to swap out the placeholder image for something more personal. Just click on it and either drag in your own photo or choose from Canva's huge gallery. You can move things around, resize images, or even delete things you don't need. Editing in Canva is very much a what you see is what you get experience, so don't worry about making a mistake. There's always Ctrl+Z if you want to undo. Next up, elements and effects. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. If your book is about adventures in the forest, try adding some leafy illustrations or a misty overlay to set the mood. Maybe you want to use a dramatic shadow or a glow effect behind your text so it pops off the page. These little touches make your book cover unique and memorable. And don't forget, you can layer different things, almost like dressing up your cover with accessories for extra flair. Now, if your template doesn't already have the right text or there are details you want to change, it's super easy to add or edit text. Click on the existing text boxes to swap out the title, your name, or a subtitle. You can adjust fonts, play with colors, and see how different arrangements look. If you want to add a quote or a tagline, hit text on the sidebar and position a new box wherever you like. Don't stress if it doesn't look perfect right away, just keep playing until it feels right. At this stage, just step back, review your cover, and make any final tweaks to beautify everything. Maybe shift things a little for balance, or fine-tune the colors so they match the mood of your book. Take a breath, this part might take a minute or two, and that's totally okay. You'll be surprised how small changes can make a big difference. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've designed a custom book cover that you can use for ebooks, print, or to share with friends and family. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kind of book you're working on or if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, creative tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy bookmaking.